Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 202. The Port of London Authority extends its sway over the greatest and richest highway of commerce ever known to history, and it is continually improving the conditions of shipping on the Thames. In matters relating to shipping, the Board of Trade regulations have to be carried out while the various chambers of commerce seek to improve and modify any enactments affecting the interest of their members. The Merchant Shipping Act, the York Antwerp Rules, and the Marine Insurance Act have an important bearing on the importation and exportation of produce. When goods are exported, various documents are used according to circumstances. Among these documents may be a bill of lading in set of 4, an invoice marked error and omissions accepted, a consular invoice, and a marine insurance policy, which may be a voyage policy. Full stop.